Yo, for real money maker. What up, Easy?
I can't open it.
Close it. What's up with you? You okay? Drinking your juice? Just quick video, people. Just quick video. Just trying to tell y'all, like, I just came out. I just had to go to Home Depot, Walmart for a quick pool run and Essentials. So I had to grab stuff to open my pool up, and I had to grab stuff. Yeah, I just spent $147 with only these bags right here. $147. Like, yo, it's 100% free, people. Like, I'm trying to help you guys on an every single day basis. It's just a quick video just showing you, like what you can do if you want to, people. Like, this is up to you. Like, $10 a day, $5 a day. Like, I know it sounds retarded and stupid, but if you're not making no money online, $5, $10 a day every single day for the rest of your life is pretty good. Is good if you ask me. Now you always want to level up. Nah, it's not hot outside yet. We gotta wait. You gotta wait. You gotta eat breakfast first. Alright, people, so I'm really trying to help y'all on an everyday basis to show you the different things you can do. Look at this guy acting crazy. Alright, not in the kitchen. Not in the kitchen. Not in the kitchen. You're not a real good listener. Can you go in the kitchen, please? Thank you, sir. Thank you. I said go in the kitchen. Go in the living room. So, people, I just want to show y'all this video. I just want to really help y'all out there. I'm trying to, like, everything I do is super transparent, people. It's 100% free. Go on my channel, watch a tutorial, learn how to do what I do, so you can make $5 every single day. You can make $10 every single day. You can make $20 every single day, right? Like, you can put this in your pocket and actually invest in yourself in whatever you got to do on an every single day basis, people. So you got to kind of start putting your dreams first, and then kind of figuring out where you want to go from there, because every time I cash out, it's either I'm buying essentials for the family. If I'm not buying essentials for the family, I'm saving my money, and I'm going to invest later. Investments, stuff like that. Alright, so I gotta watch this guy. He's always acting up. Okay. So, like, this is what you have to do every single day until you get to where you want to get to. Working a 9 to 5 is not the thing. Working 9 to 5 is not the wave right now. It's not the wave. Staying home, being with your family. I want to wake up to him every single day and not have to rush and drive like a maniac to get to work because I'm late. I don't want to do that no more. You know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to really help you guys out. It's a quick 5-minute video just showing you guys what happened.